Right, so on the boat again. Nice fresh morning. Dinghy still needs another puncture repair. The ones I fixed are good, but another one popped up. And we've got the outboard engine again. So I did all the normal troubleshooting on the outboard, and everything else is fine. But one last thing that there was to check was the carburetor. So if you find your outboard's not working and you've done all the normal checks, it may well be the carburetor. So a little bowl that had fuel in it to start with, and there's a little bit of gunk in the bottom. So the fuel is congealed and crystallized. Now one of the jets, you see all that gunk on it. So you got gunk on the outside and there's also gunk inside. So you got to clean that off, clean the jets, just clean that inside and out, make sure it's all clean. So when that gunk is on there, the carburetor can't operate and the engine won't start no matter how many times you pull it. So if your outboard's not starting, take the lid off, have a look at the carburetor, and if you've got the same condition here, give it a good clean. As you can see, that's a significant amount of congealed fuel, so that needs cleaning up, and then it should go like a beaut. Thank you. Lovely day.